Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me an email. I'm not 100% sure I understand, but if we make holding down the control button, and then when you change this to 6 or to 5 inches, it makes it 78.6%. So if you want that back to 100, what you can do is take the Smart Fill tool. With the Smart Fill tool, it makes a new object and then left click, and now you have a 5-inch block. Now, if we make a duplicate of that box and make it 90% of the size, I didn't make a duplicate. Let me make a duplicate of that. And then we'll take this one and make it 90%. I still don't think I understand the question because this would be too much work. And then if you I hit the plus key on the keyboard, and then if you make this 80%, it's making it 80% of the 5-inch block. So the other, I'm going to leave that up there, make the plus key. So this is a 5-inch block. We're going to make it 90%, which makes it a 4.5-inch block. So if we take and if you wanted a 4.5-inch block with now 80% of the 4.5, see, it's quite a bit different than the 80% of the 5. That's the only way I know around it. I truly hope that was the question. I don't really think it is, because that'd be a lot of work, but that would give you 80% of that new object. But if you just go percentage-wise, it's going to keep changing the percentage of from the 5. Anyway, hope that answered the question. And thank you for watching.